Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the form builder and form library in the Instapage. So here we go. So log in into Instapage dashboard and you can see this is the dashboard. You can choose any page or you can create a new page. So I'm going to create a new page here. Click on create new page. I'm going to use here the landing and standard page and I can choose any page here, like any simple page. This one, and select this, and I'm gonna just put the name as travel and just click on create page. Now I'm gonna add here the forms. Okay, so let's click on the added design, and here you can see this is the overall your landing page. You can change the content, but I'm gonna add here the forms. So how can I add it? So in the left side you will find here forms library. So click on this and you have the option of some predefined templates. You can see the email sign up, detailed email sign up, and B2B inquiry. So I'm going to add here the general inquiry. Okay, so let's click on the insert option. Okay, now you can see this is just added, but I don't want to add it here. I want to add it somewhere else. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add this in the top. So just move here like this, and I'm going to move it here. So I'm going to just remove that content like this, and I'm going to add this form here like this. Okay, now you have the option like name, email, phone, and message. Now you need to edit the fields. Okay, so how we can do this? So click on this form and you can see in the right side you will find the option of edit form. So click on this, and now this is the form builder. Okay, and this is really amazing. You just need to do the drag and drop thing to create your own forms. So suppose if you want to add drop down list. Okay, so in the left side you will see the drop down. So just drag and drop it after the phone like this. Now you need to add the options. So I want to add the options as like UK, US, and as like India. Now you can see the label option. Click on that label and just change that label. Select destination, country, like this. Okay, so we can see we have option. Now if you want to add more things, so you just need to drag and drop things like this, and you can add the drop down list. You can add the radio button like this. There are a lot of options. So I'm going to just delete it and delete this one also like this. Okay, now we can see the option of update. So let's click on the update. Now let's go to my web page, and we can see you have an option of select destination, country, and this is your form that is updated, right? This is really amazing. Now if you want to check the mobile view, you can just click on mobile view, and you can see just go bottom. You can see this not look good in mobile, so I'm going to just here like this. I just want to change that button width like this. Now you can adjust that overall form like this. That's really cool, right? Now let's save it, and that's done. So you can create your own form. But I'm going to show you one more way to create form, and that's really amazing. Sometimes you see in other websites is like you need to fill all the details in a steps. Okay, so how you can do this? So it's really simple. Let's go to the desktop. So I'm going to add one section here first. So click on the blocks option, and you can see the option of benefits. This one, I'm going to just add this block. Okay, here like this. And it's done. Now in this block, okay, in the top, I'm gonna ask the user about their info in a steps. So how can I do this? Simply just go to the form library, and you can just select your form, or you can create your own form. So click on the my form and click on create new form. In the left side you will see the single line text. Just drag and drop it like this. Now click on this and just put here and ask something like enter your name, and instead of submit button, I'm gonna just change that button text like this. Now I need to use the another, so just click on anywhere on the form, and you can see the steps. Click on this. You can see this is the first step. Click on that plus icon. Now you have the another steps. So again drag and drop that line, change that submit the next, change that text to enter your age like this. Now I'm gonna just click on anywhere on the form again, click on plus icon. Again, I'm going to just add here one email, and in the email, I just put here, enter your email, and I'm going to use that time a submit button as it is. Okay, we just need to click on the insert option here, and that's done. Now I just need to, arrange that to here. Now we don't require much space to have one form. Now let me just save this. And let's preview this, how that form will work. Okay, now it's the page. This is our main form, and this is another form. You can ask as like name. So I'm gonna just put the Saurav. Next, here age 22. Next, you can see the email codingbuzz@gmail.com, and you can see the submit it. So that's really amazing. Now you have learned how we can use the form library and form builder to create amazing forms. You can create the steps form or you can create the simple form also. So this is really amazing. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.